I'm Dr. Obagi. 20 years ago, I created the concept of skin health. When I came up with the term healthy skin, everybody thought I am crazy. It took about, I would say, maybe 8-9 years, from 1983 to 1992, to have the word of healthy skin or the term of healthy skin spread across the country. I stood up in front of 700, 800 dermatologists and I said, today I'm going to talk to you about healthy skin. Everybody laughed. When I showed them the results, when I showed them what a healthy skin concept can do, because it treats the source, it's not the surface only. It goes to the cells, activates cells, regulates cells. It's a unique approach to treatment. Rather treat the surface or painting a crumbling wall with paint.
I've been a plastic surgeon for about 20 years, and I met Dr. Obagi before I actually went into practice, and identified early on in my career the importance of having beautiful skin to improve the results of any aesthetic facial surgery.
The results were fantastic, unbelievable. Doctors start to hear about it. Obagi concept of healthy skin started to call me, started to come to my clinic, started to ask me to train them, to teach them. I recognized in my medical profession that every problem we see has a cellular component to it. That's what caused the problem. And if we don't address the cell, the problem is not going to go away. And many of you who have seeked treatments and the treatment failed or the problem came back, it's because nobody addressed the cell.
I attended his seminars and his teaching courses at our different plastic surgery meetings, and that's where I was really introduced to the concept of skin health restoration. And Dr. Obagi's principles have really been transformative in the practice of plastic surgery, I think, simply because with his techniques we're now able to improve the aged skin and really polish the otherwise good results that we have from aesthetic surgery.
I came to Dr. Obagi after trying all the products on the market for 10 years. Everything from Neiman Marcus to Bergdorf's. I had my husband fly to Japan and buy sun whitening creams. Nothing seemed to work. Finally, I went to lasers and IPLs, and it didn't work for my skin. I was so sick of it, I wanted to go to the best, so I went to Dr. Obagi, who I felt was the pinnacle of dermatology, and I really wanted to get the blue peel that I had heard about.
In my treatment, I'm not like any other dermatologist who just focused on, okay, what do you have? Pimples? Let's treat the pimples. What do you have? Wrinkles? Let's treat the wrinkles. A spot? Let's give you a bleacher. No, I wanted to treat the source.
I knew he had integrity when he told me that I was not ready for the blue peel. Instead, he explained to me the concept of healthy skin, how it comes from within, and also his products. After trying his products for 4 months, my skin was transformed. The sun damage, the fine lines, all erased and disappeared.
Healthy skin was something intrigued me because I have 9 children. And every one of my children, I watch them growing. They come with a beautiful, healthy skin, vibrant, full of vitality. And I watch my kids growing and growing. I saw the changes in the skin that takes place. An idea came to my mind. I said, why can't we keep healthy skin forever?
I've had the opportunity to work with Dr. Obagi in consultations when he's recommending the ZO products, and it's not uncommon to hear how patients have spent thousands of dollars in the department stores looking for a quick fix to their problems, whether it be sun damage, fine lines, wrinkles, just trying to improve the overall appearance of their skin, and they're very discouraged. Everything they've tried over the years has just not worked.
Let's define healthy skin. Healthy skin is smooth. All what you have to do is just look at the baby skin and just imagine or listen to my description. Imagine in your mind the baby skin. Healthy skin is smooth, firm and tight, full, nothing is sunken, free of disease, even color tone, properly hydrated, strong and tolerant. That's healthy skin. When I was taught to treat diseases, I go and look at the skin surface. I see a spot. I see a sun damage. I see a wrinkle creeping in. I see something change, pores getting large. I see something changed. then I would say, okay, you can use this, you can use that to help this. What our treatment based on? Treating skin surface. We never addressed the cells at the core who created that problem.
I am an absolute perfectionist in every area of my life. And skincare has always been really important to me. But when I turned 30, it became the priority, not only for myself, but also my boyfriend Douglas, who had melanoma at an early age. So we always hear, sun is so bad for you. It really became important to me to make sure that I found a product that would not only strengthen my skin, but allow me to get better with age. And that's when I found Dr. Obagi's products, and they are everything that he claims and more.
We have now thousands of dermatologists and plastic surgeons who use the Obagi systems, the medical systems. Also, we have perfected procedures. We created the medium depth peel, we created the blue peel, we created a safe parameter for lasers that doesn't injure the skin. All this combined with the concept of using topical creams to restore healthy skin made the Obagi method as the golden standard in the medical profession. So what you've been fed for the last 60 years is, ladies, let's give you immediate gratification, please. Let's make you feel smooth, please. Let's sell you dreams. I don't care what happened to your skin later. That's the concept of current skincare. And when I want to leave a legacy, I want to go out to the public and tell them the time has come for you guys to wake up.
So when I saw Dr. Obagi in 1999, he completely changed my life. Before that, I used all kinds of products. They're very expensive, and I spent a lot of money, and I thought, for what? Nothing.
How many doctors you go to sat with you for 20 minutes educating you about your skin problem and your skin care? Education is becoming rare. Doctors walk in, what's wrong? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, hair prescription, use this, buy.
So as plastic surgeons, we've always been taught to cut the skin and to tighten the skin. However, the problem with that is that what you end up with then is just tight, aged skin. And so where Dr. Obagi has really been transformative is in introducing the concept of skin health restoration and allowing us to beautify this otherwise old, aged skin. And as a result, he has been able to teach us principles to enhance the results of our aesthetic surgery procedures.
I started coming to Dr. Obagi 8 or 10 years ago. I don't remember exactly, but I came because a friend recommended him, and she recommended him very highly. She said he's the best in Beverly Hills, and I've come to find out that it's not just Beverly Hills, but he's all over the world.
When you come to me, if you come with one problem, I will find 6 more. And I will tell each one of you what to do. And if you don't do it, I'll chew you up because you are wasting my time. And then I'll get you to the level where you are happy. When you are happy, I'm going to tell you, now I'll teach you how to maintain it. You are the doctor now.
I'm getting compliments on my skin, and I feel like I look pretty good for somebody that's 76 years old, and I thank him for that.
There's few things I love in my life. I love my children, I love my wife, I love skin. I love my staff, I love my office, I love my patients, I love everybody. But I love to leave a good legacy among everybody that there was someone who is so passionate about what he loved that he liked to preserve it and give it from generation to generation.
I'm in my late 30s, and my husband is truly amazed at the transformation and how healthy and sexy and youthful it looks, and I'm truly happy with the products.
Dr. Obagi is so passionate and so demanding of excellence, as am I. And as far as I'm concerned, I've found the best product in the world.
I am independent, I am rich, I am famous. I should have gone to Hawaii and sit down and enjoy life. I decided not to do so because the glory is not being famous or being rich. I don't work for these things. I work for a legacy. In the last 35 years, I never compromised on any issue that will reflect bad or create bad effect on skin. I created the most effective programs. I expect my patient to follow the steps of healthy skin. I never compromise on any issue. You shouldn't either.